Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone has deleted their Yubo account or blocked you on Yubo app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Yubo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Now on your screen, you can see there are options like live, swipe, chat, activity, and friends. Under friends, there are two options, requests or discover. On the requests, you can see a search bar. Type in the username of the friend or the person you want to know. Make sure you type in the correct username. And if it still does not show up after typing in their correct username, then they might have blocked you or deleted the Yubo account. And guys, that's it. That's how you know if someone deleted the Yubo account or blocked you on your Yubo account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.